Most people think the rat race is just a metaphor, but for Felix, a young fox working a 9 to 5 at a massive insurance firm, it was literal torture. He did everything society told him: good school, steady job, nice apartment, but every month, zero. Then he discovered one book that would rewrite his financial DNA forever. Felix learned about two completely different money philosophies. The owl preached safety. Study hard, get a secure job, buy a house. Your home is your greatest asset. The lion taught wealth. Learn how money works. Your house is a liability. True assets put money in your pocket. Felix chose to learn. He spent every night devouring the principles of financial intelligence. He learned the most important lesson. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Instead of quitting his job immediately, Felix applied lesson 1, work to learn, not to earn. By day, he mastered sales and accounting at the insurance firm. By night, he studied market gaps. He discovered a gap, high-quality, smart pattern ladies' nightwear that actually fit real bodies. The moment of truth. Felix had 500,000 LKR in savings. The owl said, buy a better car. The lion said, use it to build an asset that generates cash flow. Felix chose the lion's path. He invested in a small production run, not working for money, but building a system. He leveraged AI tools to automate marketing, customer service, and inventory management. This is the key. He hired people smarter than him in areas he was weak. He built a business, not a second job. Felix understood Robert Kiyosaki's quadrant. Most people are stuck in E or S, trading time for money. His strategy: use earned income to build passive income. Every profit dollar was reinvested. For 6 brutal months, Felix said no to everything. No restaurants, no new clothes, no luxuries. He practiced pay yourself first, but not with shopping, by paying his assets first. His asset was growing roots, systems, brand recognition, customer loyalty, real equity. Month 7, the moment every entrepreneur dreams of. His business income surpassed his salary. But Felix didn't quit immediately. He waited until his business income was 3 times his salary for 3 consecutive months. Now in the B quadrant, Felix's business generated income whether he was there or not. With consistent cash flow, Felix entered the I quadrant, using his business profits to buy income-producing real estate. He built multiple streams of passive income. The money was finally working for him. 18 months after reading that book, Felix was no longer in the rat race. He was watching it from above. His asset tree was now mature. Silk Dreams was valued at over 15 million LKR and growing 40% year over year. Felix didn't get lucky. He got educated. He changed his relationship with money. The question isn't whether you can escape the rat race. It's whether you're willing to plant trees. So here's my challenge to you. Which quadrant are you in right now? Your story doesn't have to be a fantasy. Felix was fictional, but his strategy is real, and it works in Sri Lanka right now. Are you building an orchard, or are you just running on a wheel? Hit subscribe if you're ready to start your own case study. Drop a comment telling me which quadrant you're in. See you in the next one. Let's build wealth together.